everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about Mnakwethu. Today's episode left many people on social media very angry and disappointed after a man by the name Big Sisa Langa from Mnakwethu requested Mzansi to come and assist him to inform his first wife that he wants to take a second wife. What angered many people is that Mr. Langa has already paid lobola for the second wife without the first wife knowing, while guys, he didn't even finish to pay lobola for his first wife. According to Makosi, the first wife, Langa only paid 4 cows to her home and he never went back to finish. In tears, the first wife shared how bad her husband treats him, how he failed to support her and children, how he not spent time with her and not satisfying her woman needs. On the other side, the second wife Mastole showed no respect and sympathy to the first wife, saying yena uyinsika yale ndoda le izwa ngaye. Guys, truly speaking, today's episode was very emotional and disappointing. Mzansi was even unable to say his everyday lingo basopa makoti walanyo. He also made it very clear that he don't condone how this man treats his first wife. For that, social media was very impressed about him. My 2 cents advice to everyone who want to take is tembo: respect and love your first wife. Give her a reason to trust you, that even if you can take a second wife, you'll be able to continue to love her. Guys, that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment below and share.